Now it looks nice weather at the moment, the sun's shining, it's nice and warm, but I've just come down the boat for a couple of hours to check it out because apparently there's a storm coming tonight with thunder and lightning and God knows what else. So I'm checking all the canopies and covers and the bungee cords and everything's roped down properly. You wonder why you bother spending hours cleaning things like this. I mean, look at that, I cleaned all that. Do you know what that is? Mud from birds' feet. I've got a lift for a very small, short boat ride. I've only got a few minutes, so I'm being picked up now. Skipper Kirk's taking me on a little tiny boat ride for a few minutes. Oh, I've just jumped on the front of his boat. And off we go. You sure your solar panels are big enough? I get the most amazing views when I'm out on a boat or a kayak. I've actually got my backpack on because I was just on my way home. Come a ride on the boat for 15 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes, we'll see. Oh, what are you doing? Who's steering? Get back in there. I says, how many watts is the solar panel? 400. 400 is it? Yeah. Oh. Kurt, I think you've gone into the thorns. Yeah, thank you. I'll push the boat out. Ow! Oh, dear. I think you've got an anchor in the middle of your windscreen.
Yep.
Yeah, it needs moving. Well, put a, whatever it is. Yep. Sat nav. Now, a pillow and a sleeping bag and some nice drinks and some chocolate, please. Oh, I think we're turning, going back now. Oh, this is a bit of a skill. A bit of a skill.
3-point turn.
Yeah. Well, we're on turbo boost now. It's not a speedboat.
That's as fast as you go.
Is it? The ducks can't keep up, they've gave up. Right, where's my sausage rolls?